Hi, this is Tony from AdCam. Just thought I'd give you a quick video of how we clean commercial carpets. We're here today at Sutton Town Hall, and we've got the privilege of cleaning their carpets. They're magnificent. I'll show you in a minute. So you need 4 things really to clean a carpet, and add a 5th. The first is water, then you need chemical, heat, agitation and time to clean it. So here we go. The first one is we need a bit of water. We normally carry 300 litres on the van, but with the machine that we're using, it goes through water a little bit more quicker than we normally do. So we've got a direct feed into the van, into what's known as a truck mounted machine. Or anything like that, or you want to hold it, it's actually fine, but underneath there the pipe's really hot, so we follow the 2 in. We're vacuuming. This area hasn't been cleaned, so we've just vacked it, and it looks better just from the vacuuming. We use industrial vacuum cleaning machines, and we'll follow the pipes round. You'll see here we've already cleaned part of it, so I'll explain that in a minute. And what we do, this is our chemical, which we use a an electric sprayer, and then we agitate it with this, which is a contra-rotating brush machine, and then we flush it out with some heat. This is the area that we've cleaned. We're using a zipper wand, and there's about 6 in the country, that's all. They're imported from America, and they're used to cleaning big areas. You'll see how quick it is, and you'll see the water being extracted straight out. It keeps the heat in this square bit here. There's about 6 jets, I think, 4 forward and 2 back, and it's extremely quick. The trick on this is hose management, but again you'll see, and it leaves the carpet virtually dry, not quite. And I'm just going to show you here, this is where we haven't done anything. I just want to show you the colours. So that's the colour, that's the uncleaned colour. And I want to just show you the area we've cleaned up here. And we've cleaned down there. This is the it's the crush hall. And this is the colour after it's been cleaned. Hopefully you can see that it's just come back with bright colours. We put some real industrial fans that just dry it off, but in actual fact this now, it's bone dry. It's now 20 to 1. We've been on this since 9 o'clock this morning. So we will leave this absolutely dry for them. So there's no risk of anything shrinking or any colour running or anything like that, because we dry it so quick. This is of an age where carpets were put down, which was quality, and it's an absolute privilege to be working with them today. just for management. Obviously we're vacuuming in this part which is being prepared, and what we've done is we do the outside of this, which is the red part. We go all the way around here, and then we do the middle bits in here. And I know it sounds pathetic, but we then park the CRB, the contra-rotating brushing machine, and the electric sprayer to here, because then we know that with this line here, which looks as though there's a gap, which there is, but this hides the dance floor if you wanted to do it. So it's a beautiful carpet, and again it comes up really, really nicely. We use this for speed, but it's still really thorough. Before, we used to have 3 people on it for 2 full days. We may actually finish this today. If we don't, it's not a problem. We're not here to be chipping away on the time, but it's just so much more productive, and it's cleaner, drier, and just less fuss. So we can turn this over back to Sutton Coldfield Town Hall, dry, clean, and ready for the next function. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and have a great day.